Hi, my name is Shweta Gupta. I am the creative director and founder of the label SWGT. The idea behind SWGT is to traverse around the mountains and get that nature's vibe into the clothes. How we do it is that we travel across Himalayas in Uttaranchal and Himachal, and we collect material and data and click pictures and things like stones or wildflowers or even the anecdotes with people living there. And that's how we build on the concept. After I graduated from NIFT, I started working in the industry. My first job was with Gaurav Gupta, and then I worked with Varun Behel, and then I joined Tarun Tahliani, where I was again handling his Western wear and a lot of work from the Western market. And then gradually, after working for 9 years with designers, I wanted a break. Eventually, while I was traveling, I reached Chanderi. I lived in Chanderi for almost a year before I started because I didn't want to work with a middleman. I started with 2 looms and now I have reached to 16 families, which is great. And that's how the Gen Next happened, and I made my first collection and I got picked up at Gen Next, which was amazing for us because actually in my career, that was the first time I was working with hand-woven textiles. Post that, we kept doing Lakme Fashion Week and creating sort of our own language, and we do that through weaving our own fabric, which we feel very privileged to be able to do that, to be living in India and making our own textile based on our patterns. So SWGT's USP is pattern making. It's shapes. The USP is to be able to create Western shapes in hand-woven textile. So we worked a lot in the background to sort of develop patterns which go with hand-woven textile, so that a hand-woven textile garment can compete against a very sturdy and machine washable polyester. I developed a lot of textures and techniques, and through those textures and techniques we are creating zero waste patterns, and a lot of our zero waste patterns are sort of created on the loom. So there's a lot of mirror imaging, which is happening on the loom. There is a lot of cut pieces that are getting repeats on the loom, which is like, and that's how we're creating zero waste pattern within the loom and within what is available. I mean, it's literally design problem solving. You have a 44-inch and you just have to make a zero waste pattern. So we're doing that, and we're incorporating that more and more. Plus, we're trying to do a lot of linear patterns in which the waist is very linear, and we can reuse that waste then. It's the pattern making, it's the understanding of the garment making that has made our clothes reach to Paris and to Trenoy and to Who's Next. We are stocking in Beams, Japan. We are stocking in a store in Jeddah. We are doing a pop-up with Armalia in New York, and now we're doing it in London again. We're going to participate like we did Who's Next. So now the Who's Next happened in September. So our Spring Summer 20 collection will be stocked in, one is in Switzerland, one is in Jeddah, one is in Italy. So that is going to start happening from January. So one of the first techniques that we developed in our studio when we started was this indigenous technique. We call this technique here Bandha Hua technique. We tie these pleats with these beads and create these textures, and a lot of our forms and structures are created basically through this technique. We picked up the oak tree seed and we're creating detachable collars and detachable cuffs. Small pieces are crocheted and handmade and then made into a collar. We've done this tiny pleating here, and through this we're trying to create a stretch value on bias on handloom. So it's easy on the waist and the bust and when you're moving around, because for us it's very important who's wearing it. Like, we're making clothes for real people who are moving around, and we don't want the clothes to be just to go and give a, what do you call it, like just stand there and then just come back. That's not the idea. The idea is to live in these hand-woven clothes. The plans are to keep showcasing in Paris and London, and keep doing good work. The road ahead is to meet more artisans, meet more people, work with more clusters, and also meet more interesting women take things from their personality and design according to that.